All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 95,000 miles on the odometer, 95,505 to be exact. I see a little crack in the windshield right there. Truck's shifting really nice. No issues there. The steering wheel does have a very slight vibration in it. The alignment feels good. Truck's driving nice and straight. No issues there. Hitting the brakes kind of hard. Brakes feel good. Shifts really nice. No complaints really with the drivability. Like I said, you have that light vibration in the wheel. Other than that, drives awesome. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So we got some Ironmans on here. They do have a lot of tread left. Now the tires are real dirty here. It snowed, so driving it in here, of course you got to drive over all the dust and dirt, so ignore that. Looking at that wheel though, overall that is in great condition. Really, really nice. A little chip there. Some slight discoloration on this plastic versus the paint here, so that's kind of yellowed over the years. STX looks really good. Rest of that fender's clean. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar. If you get way up there, I do see a chip. A couple little scratches here on that trim. A few little rock chips. Couple little chips there, one there. Rest of that looks good. Here on the bed, got some gashes, little markings, another gash, some larger chips, more gashes, just kind of a few peppered throughout. Looking at that wheel once again, looks awesome. And then of course the bed, typical use there. You have the window tint. Headlight, that looks good. Looking at that front end, typical rock impacts, kind of peppered throughout. Pretty minimal though. Little ones here, a few there. I do see a small ding right there. And right here we do have some damage. Looking at that fender, looks good. Wheels nice and clean. That door looks good, mirror's clean. That looks nice. A few little chips. A few more small chips. And then you have little gashes kind of peppered in this area. That wheel looks good. Some gashes right there. And then you're going to see them all throughout this little trim piece here. If you get up close. Little dings, small issues here and there. But it's just a work truck. Something to get the job done, so typical flaws. Alright, checking out the interior. You're going to have your typical wear here. Buttons look good. You have some wear on the edge, some little gashes, no floor mats. They probably had some WeatherTechs. Looking at that bolster, no rips. Now it is kind of smushed down right there, that cushion. You do have stains throughout. But still overall looks good. Here on the steering wheel, you're going to have some wear on that top side. A little discoloration. Those buttons look good. Gauges look nice. Automatic headlights. You do have the big screen with the center console, which is nice. The rest of that looks good. Here on this back left door panel, you do have some gashes down there. A few little flaws. Overall, that trim looks good. You do have some stains on the seat. Right here on this door panel, that looks good. No floor mats. I imagine they had WeatherTechs or something and they took them with them. A couple stains On the seat, you're going to see some small imperfections. I don't see any rips though. So as far as that goes, really nice. The seat looks good. Console looks good. Glove box, light little scratch right there. A couple little markings. Otherwise it looks good. Here on the headliner, looks nice. Here on this door panel, I do see some scratches right there and a few down there. A little bit of wear. No floor mats again. Once again, they probably had some weather techs. I do see some stains throughout. Little stains there. Typical scratches. All right, scanning through the engine bay. Looks really good.